Welcome back to TECHATOP, the best smart toilets in 2026, featuring cutting-edge comfort, hygiene, and AI-powered convenience. From automatic flushing to health monitoring features, these models redefine bathroom technology. Stay tuned as we break down the top options worth your attention. Links in the description. Let's get started right now, today, together. Number 5. The Yulika 1.32 GPF Smart Bidet Toilet. Yulika U5 delivers a true upgrade in bathroom comfort by combining advanced hygiene technology with thoughtful, everyday convenience. From the moment it is installed, it transforms a standard bathroom into a modern wellness space focused on cleanliness, comfort, and efficiency. One of the most impressive aspects is the fully hands-free operation. The automatic lid and seat opening system, combined with a foot sensor and one-touch flush, significantly reduces contact and improves hygiene. This makes daily use more sanitary and especially helpful for households that prioritize cleanliness. Comfort is another major strength. The heated seat offers 3 adjustable temperature levels, allowing users to stay comfortable in any season. The warm water cleansing system provides multiple wash modes, including hip, feminine, and massage options, ensuring a gentle and thorough clean without relying on toilet paper. The warm air dryer completes the experience by delivering a soft and dry finish. The built-in LED ambient lighting adds both style and practicality, making nighttime use safer and more visually appealing. The water-saving cyclone flush system uses only 1.32 gallons per flush while still delivering strong and effective bowl cleaning performance, even in homes with lower water pressure. Maintenance is simplified through the self-cleaning nozzle and automatic deodorizing system, which help maintain freshness and hygiene throughout daily use. Durable construction with waterproof protection and a backup flush system ensures reliability and long-term performance. Overall, the Yulika Smart Bidet Toilet is a premium solution for users seeking comfort, efficiency, and advanced hygiene in a single modern fixture. Number 4. The Casta Diva Smart Toilet. A200TS delivers a refined blend of hygiene, comfort, and intelligent design that elevates everyday bathroom use into a more luxurious experience. It is designed for modern homes that value cleanliness, convenience, and water efficiency while maintaining strong performance in all conditions. One of its standout features is the foam shield technology, which creates a soft protective barrier in the bowl before use. This reduces splashback, helps control odors, and improves overall cleanliness. Combined with the self-cleaning nozzle and automatic deodorization system, it ensures a consistently fresh and sanitary environment with minimal effort from the user. Comfort is carefully prioritized with the 4-season temperature control system. The heated seat, warm water wash, and warm air dryer adjust automatically to provide a pleasant experience regardless of weather conditions. The elongated 17.5-inch comfort height seat also improves accessibility, making it easier for a wide range of users to sit and stand comfortably. The flushing system is another strong point. The air pressure-assisted 1.0 gallon per flush system delivers powerful performance that helps prevent clogs while still conserving water. It remains effective even in homes with low water pressure, ensuring reliable operation in different environments. Convenience features such as the foot sensor and automatic flush allow for a fully touchless experience, improving hygiene significantly. The remote control adds further ease of use by letting users customize water pressure, wash modes, and seat temperature without any physical effort. Additional thoughtful touches like the soft close lid, nightlight, and blackout flush capability during power loss make this smart toilet highly practical for daily living. Overall, the Casta Diva Smart Toilet offers a premium combination of cleanliness, comfort, and modern smart features that make it a strong choice for anyone upgrading their bathroom experience. Number 3. The Formo Deco BP80 Smart Bidet Toilet brings a strong combination of performance, comfort, and accessibility, making it a practical upgrade for modern bathrooms. It is designed to solve common household issues such as low water pressure, while also delivering a high level of hygiene and user convenience. One of the most impressive features is the pump-assisted flush system. Unlike traditional gravity-based toilets, this model uses advanced technology to maintain strong and consistent flushing power even in homes with weak or unstable water pressure. The dual-mode water-saving system further enhances efficiency by reducing water consumption without compromising cleaning performance. Comfort is a major focus of the BP80. The heated seat, instant warm water system, and warm air dryer work together to create a relaxing and spa-like experience. Users can adjust multiple temperature levels, allowing full customization based on personal preference and seasonal changes. The self-cleaning stainless nozzle supports different wash modes, including rear, feminine, and massage functions for improved hygiene. The LED display and nightlight add both convenience and safety. The soft illumination helps during nighttime use, while the digital screen clearly shows real-time settings such as water temperature, seat temperature, and dryer settings. This makes the toilet easy to operate without confusion. The ADA-compliant chair height design improves accessibility for a wide range of users, especially seniors or individuals who require extra comfort when sitting or standing. The foot sensor and touchless operation further enhance hygiene by minimizing contact. Build quality is supported by safety certifications and reliable customer service, offering peace of mind for long-term use. Overall, the Formo Deco BP80 stands out as a well-balanced smart toilet that combines strong flushing performance, modern comfort features, and thoughtful accessibility design. Number 2. The Sanoxis SNU5B Smart Toilet delivers a premium blend of modern design, advanced hygiene features, and everyday comfort, making it a strong addition to any contemporary bathroom. With its sleek, tankless silhouette and fully automatic operation, it transforms routine use into a more refined and convenient experience. One of its most impressive qualities is the hands-free functionality. The automatic lid opening and closing system works seamlessly as you approach or leave, reducing contact and improving hygiene. Combined with the 1.28-gallon per flush auto flush system, it ensures a clean and efficient performance while conserving water. Comfort is a major highlight of this model. The heated seat provides instant warmth, while the warm water cleansing system offers adjustable pressure, temperature, and spray position for a fully personalized wash. The warm air dryer further enhances convenience by reducing the need for toilet paper and ensuring a complete hands-free experience. The control system is designed for flexibility and ease of use. Users can operate the toilet through a foot sensor, side knob, or wireless remote control, allowing effortless adjustment of settings. The LED display clearly shows real-time information, making it easy to monitor temperature and system status at a glance. Additional features like the soft close lid, nightlight, ambient lighting, and built-in deodorizer contribute to a quieter, fresher, and more relaxing bathroom environment. The fragrance system adds a spa-like touch, while the durable construction and multiple safety protections provide long-term reliability and peace of mind. Installation is straightforward with included accessories and standard compatibility, making it suitable for most homes. Overall, the Sanoxis Smart Toilet SNU5B stands out as a well-designed, feature-rich solution that combines luxury, hygiene, and intelligent automation for a modern bathroom upgrade. Number 1. The Formo Deco BP20 Pro Smart Bidet Toilet offers a well-balanced combination of modern design, hygiene-focused engineering, and user-friendly automation, making it a strong upgrade for contemporary bathrooms. Its minimalist one-piece structure gives it a clean and elegant appearance while integrating a wide range of intelligent features. One of the most notable aspects is the fully automated operation system. The auto open and close lid adds a hands-free convenience that improves hygiene and reduces contact. Combined with automatic flushing and a foot kick sensor, it creates a smooth and effortless user experience that feels both modern and practical. Comfort is a central focus of the BP20 Pro. The instant heated seat with anti-scald protection ensures warmth in all conditions, while the warm water cleansing system delivers a gentle yet effective wash. The advanced spray nozzle provides multiple movement patterns including front-to-rear motion and massage-style pulses, offering a more personalized and spa-like cleaning experience. The adjustable drying system with multiple temperature levels completes the comfort cycle by providing a soft and efficient drying process. The odor control system works continuously to maintain freshness by using activated carbon filtration, helping to eliminate unwanted smells and improve bathroom air quality. In addition, the pre-moistened ceramic bowl design reduces residue buildup, making maintenance easier and more efficient. Convenience is enhanced through multiple control options, including a wireless remote, manual knob, and foot kick flushing system. The nightlight improves visibility during nighttime use without causing disturbance, while the backup flushing system ensures reliable operation during power outages. Safety and durability are also strongly emphasized, with protections against overheating, leakage, freezing, and electrical faults. Overall, the Formo Deco BP20 Pro delivers a premium smart toilet experience that combines hygiene, comfort, and intelligent automation in a reliable and thoughtfully designed package. Thanks for watching our guide on the best smart toilets in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home reviews and buying tips. We will continue bringing you the latest innovations in bathroom technology and home comfort. Drop your questions in the comments below and let us know which smart toilet you liked most. See you soon.